In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make blend pics in Fotor. By the end, you'll know how to combine two photos into a smooth, creative composite using Fotor's built-in tools, and how to fine-tune the transparency for a clean, professional look. First, open your browser and go to Fotor.com. On the homepage, look for the AI photo editor. This takes you straight into Fotor's editing workspace, where we'll do all the blending. Once you're in, choose Upload Image and pick your base photo from your computer. This base image is the one that will sit underneath, so choose something with a simple background or a clear subject for easier blending and a cleaner result. With your base photo loaded, it's time to bring in the second picture you want to blend. In the editor, find the option to add a layer, then select Add Image Layer. Choose your second image from your files. This becomes the overlay. Think of it like placing a transparent sheet on top of your base photo. Now position the overlay to blend. Click and drag to move it into place, and use the corner handles to resize while keeping proportions intact. If you need a more precise fit, zoom in and align key edges or features. A helpful approach is to look for natural lines or matching textures between the two photos, horizons, architecture, or similar lighting, so the blend feels intentional. Next, adjust how the images merge by opening the transparency control. This is where the magic happens. Slide the transparency down to make the overlay more see-through, revealing the base beneath. A lighter transparency gives a subtle double exposure effect, while a stronger one keeps the overlay dominant. There's no single right value here. Move the slider slowly and watch how shadows, highlights, and edges interact until it feels cohesive. If the overlay still looks too harsh, try slightly enlarging or repositioning it. Then revisit the transparency slider for that sweet spot. Take a moment to assess the result. Look for halos around edges, mismatched lighting, or elements competing for attention. Small nudges with your mouse or arrow keys can make a big difference. If your overlay needs to sit behind the base image or vice versa, check the layer panel to confirm the order is correct. Keep your eye on the subject's face, text, or key focal points to maintain clarity. And that's it. Your blended picture is complete. With just a base image, an added image layer, and a transparency adjustment, you can create eye-catching photo blends that feel polished and intentional.